Yo! First order of the day, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $6 and change, going 2 miles.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using your mobile app today?
Ooh, there's a lot of cars in line. This might be a wait. I thought this was gonna be a quick order, but I guess not. Thank you. Next up, we've got a 7-Eleven. This one is $6, going 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. That one smelled so bad. I had to crack the windows for that. They had some type of spicy wings, and that was all base pay. Wow. Just got the next order. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's $8, going 4.5 miles. 3 items. The only one that they need is out of stock. That is cool. Now, what are the odds of that? Literally, the only ice cream that was out of stock was the one that they requested. And I need a pin for it. Lovely. Why is it always the orders where something goes wrong or I'm missing an item or something? Why are they always the ones that I have to meet the customer? It's so awkward because it feels like I didn't do my job right, even though I did, because they didn't have a substitute. I don't know. Maybe I'm just overthinking it. Either way, I got the next order right away. This is a Seize the Bagel, $10, going 5 miles.
Have a good day.
Yep, you too. Got this next order right away. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. I think this one might be alcohol. It's $11, going 6.5 miles, only 1 item.
Okay.
Going back to that same Safeway, this is a shop and deliver. This is $13, going 4 miles, 4 items. Back yet again, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's $9, going 2 miles, 2 items.
I like your hat, bro. That's funny.
I appreciate it.
Yeah,
have a good day.
Bro.
Yep.
Here you go, boss.
Appreciate that, man. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. Stay safe out there.
Yep, thank you. And we got the next order right away. This is a stacked Seize the Bagel, $14, going just under 7 miles. Oh, this would be all the way upstairs. Just got the next order. We've got 2 shop and delivers going to the same person. This is grocery outlet and New Seasons Market. This is $14, going 6 miles. I think it said like 11 items, but I think a lot of them are going to be repeats. Like, I think one of them is a bunch of bananas. Like half the order is bananas, so should be a lot easier than it sounds. I'm gonna go run these back.
Okay, no problem. Are you ready?
No, it's a DoorDash, but they're
Okay.
being like really difficult, so I'm just kind of
Oh,
stalling. Yeah. Oh boy. Okay, I guess I jinxed myself with that because they are being so annoying. As soon as I walked in, they started adding items, most of which they didn't have in stock, so wasted time. And then they added 2 extra cheeses, so I grabbed them real quick. And as soon as I started to check out, they're like, "Oh, that was an accident. I only wanted 2 of them." But at that point in the app, it wouldn't let me go back. The only option was to check out, so I had to contact support and waste even more time. And the customer's still messaging me, trying to get me to hurry up, pretty much. I'm just gonna ignore them at this point. Oh, you're kidding me. You are kidding me. Oh, I'm gonna lose it. I am gonna lose it. Of course, the chips that I needed were out of stock, and of course they were ignoring me. Why am I even surprised that was a no tip? I'm gonna turn off the camera and say all the things that I really want to say about this customer. I'm actually just gonna go home. I'm over it after that one. That one, oh, I can't tell you the last time I got that mad at an order. Current time is 9:53. Total, we ended up with 87. Almost forgot that cash tip. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.